Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2004 Yamaha YZF600R. This is a 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled sport bike. But it's not the top-end race bike. It's got a more comfortable riding position, more comfortable power delivery. Fun, great bike to have, great for commuting. Gives you the sport bike look, but not the sport bike pain in your back and your neck. This one's only got 6,150 miles, 2 new tires, just ready to make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Come by, take a look. Really, really nice condition. We have financing available, extended service contract. We have insurance. 2004 Yamaha YZF600R, just $39.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports with only 6,150 miles on this one. Very low for an 04 model. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you.